boys and girls. So today for your math homework, you have to solve the problem vertical with your place value chart and place value discs. And remember, if you have to bundle a 10, you circle 10 ones, and then you have to draw a 10 over here. And so what you're going to do is, the first thing I want you to do is solve this on your place value chart. And then count up your number of ones and then tens, and then you can fill this in. But the problem when you fill this in is, make sure if you have to carry a 1, you put a 1 down here, like that. Okay, the same thing over here. You're going to have to carry your 1. And then at the bottom, they want you to add the bottom two numbers together to find the missing number above it. So right here, I did it vertically for you. Fill it in. Make sure when you have to carry your 1, you put it here. And then don't forget to type in your, or you can just write in your answer here. Or you can use the text box and just put your answer in there. All right, have a good day. Bye.